Now the second example of IOQM exam 2023 is find the number of elements in the set of order pair AB where A and B belong to N. 2 is less than or equal to A and B is less than or equal to 2023 under condition log of B base A plus 6 log of A base B equals to 5. Okay. So what is given condition? Log of B base A plus log of A base B, here it is 6, equals to 5. Now we know that these two means log of B base A and log of A base B, they are reciprocals of each other. So if we consider log of B base A equals to T, then this equation can be written as T plus 6 by T equals to 5. And now solve this. It will be T square minus 5T plus 6. It means it is a quadratic equation. Now if we solve, we will get T equals to 2 or T equals to 3. Okay. Now what is our T? Log of B base A equals to 2. Therefore, we can write B equals to A square. And here if we take T equals to 3, then we will get B equals to A cube. Okay. So for our set here, the order pair AB is A square and A cube. Okay. Now we will collect all the elements of this set. So what is the restriction for A? A should be greater than or equals to 2. So we will start 2 and 4. First we will collect all the elements of this order pair. Then 3, 9. In this way, the maximum value for the B is 2023. So what is the square root of 2023? It will be 44 point something. So we have to take up to 44. It means 44 and square of 44. It may be 1936 or like this. Okay. So these are the elements from this order pair. Now we will find the elements for this order pair. So first element is 2, 8. Then 3, 27. In this way, now the cube root of 2023 is 12 point something. Okay. So our maximum value of A will be 12 here and cube of 12. So in this way, how many elements are there? 2 to 44. It means 43 elements. 2 to 12. It means 11 elements. Therefore, in total, 54 elements will be there in this set.